Hey guys, this week we are working on that tiger you've been waiting for since the jungle cake tutorial. I'm just rolling some orange paste into a chunky oval and I'm taking my Dresden tool and marking in the shape of the back leg. You can rub the markings to soften them out a little bit. I also just want to quickly say to ignore the nail polish. It was very well applied by the nail tech and it's taking a while to come off. I'm then taking a small ball of white paste and rocking my Dresden tool across two parts, which makes a tiny little white paw. I'm sticking this underneath that line we made for his back leg. For the tail, I've rolled a sausage of orange and a smaller white one, and I'm cutting a piece from each. To merge them, I'm just pulling that white paste down into the orange and then rolling it out together. You just want to curl this around the back of the tiger. I've then done the same thing for the front paw and I'm marking in the lines like we did for the back one. I've just trimmed them down at an angle and I'm just testing to make sure you can see the paws when I come to place the head on, and then just sticking them in place with water. The head is a flattened ball and I'm dampening the bottom half and laying over a thin white piece of paste, which I'm just smoothing underneath and trimming it down. Don't worry what it looks like on the back because you're not going to see it. I'm then cutting away a little bit of the body just so that the head lays a bit flatter against it. Kinda looks a bit like an orange Babybel. I'm then taking my small ball tool and marking in where I want the eyes before filling them with small balls of black paste. Then you want to mark in a cute little smile with the sharp end of the Dresden tool. As always, little white balls for catch lights bring the eyes to life. Then back with the orange, I'm rolling a chunky disc and placing. I'm then cutting this in half to create two little ears and bending them round slightly to give them a bit of a curve. I'm just sticking these to either side of the head with water before placing on a tiny black nose in the centre. And he wouldn't be a tiger without his stripes, so I'm taking my favourite black metallic paint and painting on some cute chunky stripes with a fine paintbrush. Feel free to add yours on in sugar paste if you feel better doing that. And that's it! A really super, simple, yet cute little tiger which fits the theme of the cake. If you want to see the whole jungle cake and the elephant figure, they are linked in the description box below, and the giraffe will follow soon. Thanks guys, see you next week!